Hey Blaney, now I assume that what you're telling me is you want to be able to see who's a guest, who's a sponsor, etc., as you're deciding to make phone calls to them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So inside, you'll see that the data was uploaded when you go into your database. I'm actually in mine right now. You click on this part, type in the word type, and it'll show up. And on yours, it's all the 41 people that you added. It's populated with whether they were guest, sponsor, etc. So it's in there, and that's where it resides. Now, what I want to show you in here is, if you notice, the stars, the ones that are gray, will not show on a certain page. The ones that have color next to them will, and I'll show you where that plays out. Okay, so I'll go ahead, just for this purposes, I'm going to highlight type right there, and you can see where that actually happened off over here. It actually shot up right here. So that's the reason why you want that to be there. So what will end up happening, I'm going to get rid of, while I'm here, I'm going to get rid of this create date because I really don't care about that. Save it. Now you can see it adjusted this right here, but what's going to happen now, once you've got people enrolled in a rhythm, it's going to assign you a task to call them in 2 days, is what I think you had. So in 2 days, you're going to go there and you're going to say tasks. And you're going to start running your tasks. And so the first one's going to be a phone call, and it'll state right here, type. And if it's a guest or a sponsor or whatever. If it's a sponsor, you don't want to call them, you can just say delete. Or if you still want to call them, go ahead and call them. Once you do call them, you put your notes in right here. Say complete. Boom, and it'll take you right to the next guy. So that's how that's going to work for you. Understand? Call me if there's any questions.